So today I'm making a video on the importance of um, taking care of your teeth during radioactive iodine treatment. First off, I'm sorry about the quality of this video, but my phone is in a plastic Ziploc bag, so the quality is not that great, and I apologize for that. But I just wanted to get some points across. Um, During the time that I was preparing for my treatment, I did go and look up a lot of information on the thyroid um, cancer.org, and I was reading that it was recommended that you get a cleaning before the treatment. Now, there wasn't much explanation on the website why, but it said that they recommended a cleaning before the treatment. I have a very wonderful dentist that has two locations. I go to the Covina location. He also has a location in Hacienda Heights. His name is Dr. Chris Chen, and he is with Ionic Dental Group. He's very, very amazing. Just I had mentioned him prior to the treatment that um, I was going, that I was going to have surgery, and then after surgery, um, he ended up checking my teeth before surgery, just to make sure that I, was free of any bacteria. I went through the surgery, and they ended up telling me that I was going to need further treatment, which is a radioactive iodine treatment. I ended up telling him that the only thing that was said from my doctor was that I was going to be needing to purchase some sort of sour candy, but there really wasn't an explanation. Just very kind of quick explanation that you needed sour candy because your saliva glands are affected. Um, I did make an appointment with my dentist, who was very good about providing me a closer time right before the day that I went into treatment, so to make sure that my mouth was clean enough right before and not way before. He sat down with me and explained why it is important for us to make sure that we get a cleaning. um, to me, that went beyond what a dentist usually does. He did his research. He, like he said again, this is why we go to school, so we can learn how to educate our patients, how they can care for their teeth in a whole, even if it has to do with different diseases or different situations. And that just gave me a big peace of mind. He did recommend Biotine. He gave me a couple of sample packets, which were great because I didn't have to take this with me to the hospital. I took two packets that I was able to use the first day, throughout the day, um, when I first was given the dosage, and didn't experience any dry mouth at all. Right after I took the radioactive iodine pill, they actually had told me, okay, you need to make sure that you eat your sour candy because you're gonna get affected. And I actually had taken just a couple of the candy, and I got grossed out. I ended up tossing the candy. Um, it just made me sick to my stomach. But as soon as I started taking the Biotine, I rinsed just about a teaspoon right after the treatment. I did not feel any dryness. I have not felt that I have had any taste buds affected. None of that at all. I am in isolation currently. I am in, let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm on day 5 of isolation. I have 2 more days left, but I have been using Biotine about 5 days, 5 times a day. When I do forget, I at least try to do it when I'm brushing my teeth. So for sure, 3 times a day, but in between when I remember, it's 5 times a day. I have not been affected at all for my saliva glands or my taste buds, like none of it at all. I don't feel that I've had dry mouth. So this was an amazing recommendation. And again, my dentist is just amazing. If you need a new dentist, I highly recommend him. He's just amazing and just takes the time, doesn't rush you out, answers all kinds of questions, gives you just as much information as you can have about your teeth. He believes that, it's very important to take care of your teeth, even if it, if he's not directly dealing with the disease that you're going through, or the different illnesses that you're going through, but he will link it why it is very important to take care of your teeth. I will go ahead and leave his information in the comments. Again, Biotine is a good thing to use during this treatment. I did buy mine at Sam's Clubs. You can get 2 of these for a fairly cheap price. Target also carries it, but I believe at Target it's like $5 for a big one. The better buy is at a Costco or a Sam's Club. He advised me to take this right away, from the day that I went through treatment till after, because that's during the time that the radiation is in your body is when your mouth is affected. So I hope this video has helped, and again, I will leave his information on the comments below.